Holla, peeps. So it's one of them days. We are checking which page, and then I'm explaining. Okay, I'm gonna count to 3, and then we're choosing the page. Okay, 1, 2, 3. That's one. Okay. Let's see. Please forget my handwriting. I know I have a beautiful one, but it's 18 February 2023. Wow, I truly can't believe that I got a chance to be in cinema. Okay, today. Well, Lebu, a 35-year-old man, I can truly say I went on a real date for the first freaking time. Yo, I remember this day. You know how they do it in romantic movies. They open a door. They open a car door for you. This guy say he loves me and he's willing to be with me. I truly pray that he does not play with me or my mind. I am falling for him. I don't wanna lie. Just can't believe it happened unexpectedly. Wow, it was a perfect first time date. Oh, I remember this day. Like, this was one of my best days. Like, it was truly one of my favorite date. Like, it was because how old was I? 2023. I think I was 22. Yeah, 22. Definitely sure because before EMI phela, like 2023, and then hamba yonke ithili ifike kuDecember bese khana ngizothi 23 yabo, so vele bekuna 22. So okay, vele wekana 35, he beka right, he beka nice. It was like he had like a nice personality vele yena. And this is like the same guy I was speaking about the last time I opened the diary. What a coincidence. So yeah, it's still the same guy. So this was like our first date, and then angisa ku cinema, bengakaze ngaye cinema empilweni yami, and I wanted to be a cinema. And then sahamba lapho kwabamnandi, masifika ukayangivulela umnyango ngangena cinema. Before that, we actually ate. I began pizza fresh, and then we came. This guy Shame was so romantic because after that date, we planned another vacation. We went to Emerald. I think the following month we went to Emerald. It was so nice. We stayed there for like a week. No, not a week. From Friday till Sunday late, we came back. And then me and this guy, like, we had like a month knowing each other. Like, it was my first time being in a relationship with somebody who's not emphasizing on having sex with me and all that kind of stuff. Like, I was enjoying his presence. He was enjoying mine. Like, like everything was flowing. I wasn't feeling obligated because after mina na Cecilia good date, he's gonna ask me this and that. He was not a person who was much into sex, actually. Because even though when we were there, like, okay, I'm not going to give you guys much details, but come on, he was not a person who's into that. You know a person, when a person is into that, you know what definitely this person is into that. But he was not into that. Like, he just showed me that he's there in this relationship more than sex, And then after that, from Friday till Saturday, and then we went to casino, we played, guy a winner, oh my god, I was going crazy. And I'm not gonna say how much he gave me, but I was so freaking happy. And then after that, a casino, we played, and then sahamba sayagu night nyana langat kala music, we ate. And then suddenly we relaxed, we had our own food at home, and then in the following day, it was an amazing experience. Even when I came back home, I felt like I wanna go back to Emerald. Yo guys, Emerald is so beautiful. Your high is so beautiful. And it's big. Yo, it was so nice. It was one of the greatest experience. I don't even remember what made me and this guy to be separated. Like, I'm still even thinking about it right now. Was yini kahle kahle mina noLebo engihlukanisile naye lo guy kahle kahle. I don't know. Like I didn't last in previous relationships, Shem. I don't know why. I don't like my longest relationship was close to a year. I didn't even reach close to a year. I don't know why I don't last in relationships. So I just decided that let me just wait for the right guy until I get married. Then probably then it will work, because I'm just wasting my time. And truly speaking, with the person that is had an experience, like having relationships that are not even lasting, it's pointless, because you end up having multiple partners that you're sleeping with sexually. Truly, it's a fact. It's a fact, guys. Let's not fight about it. It's a fact. And what's the reward for that? What are you getting? What are you earning from doing that? You see, so it's, to me, I just realized it's pointless at the end of the day. So let me just stop this and wait for the right person. The right person will definitely be the person who will say, I'm going to date you without having sex, and we see where this goes, and then after that, you and I will get married, and then that's gonna be my guy forever and ever. Because this world's full of shit.